Technology is transforming the way we work in today. Our office daily activities such as collaboration, communication, and productivity are becoming more and more important than ever. While ICON have been researching, manufacturing the products to meet the market changes and the demands since 2009. Our mission is creating great workspace that everybody can be forward and experience.
Each detail is made by science and silence. That's ICON's product philosophy. With the development of production technology, especially the AI and 5G, we've got those involved with our advanced state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities to help us transform our manufacturing system and achieve a linear production flow. This enables ICON to deliver better quality with more accuracy and short production leading time. It's capable to handle customized orders and makes products production without compromising our efficiency and quality standards. We aim to offer the best quality products and be the most reliable manufacturer that serves all of our customers' needs. ICON works closely with our clients to develop flexible and affordable solutions that help them solve commercial space problems by fusing creativity, innovation, strategy, and craft. A good workspace impacts our performance and well-being. And a well-conceived workspace supports an organization's strategic goals, fosters its culture, and inspires its employees. We listen intently to ensure we truly understand our clients' culture, their brand, their business strategies, and the most key point is how they work so that we can tailor a space solution that will help them fulfill their vision. Here at ICON, let's expect more.